Voice Killer is making waves as a voice changer, but is it really worth your time and money? With so many options out there, it's tough to know if this tool truly delivers on its promises. Let's dig in and find out. Voice Killer claims to transform your voice in real time, offering a variety of effects that can be used for everything from gaming to content creation. The user interface is straightforward, which is a plus for beginners. You just pick a voice effect, adjust some settings, and you're ready to go. However, while the basic functionality is there, I can't help but feel that some of the features could use more explanation. For instance, the website doesn't clearly outline how well it integrates with different platforms or software. If you're a gamer or a streamer, you might want to know if it works seamlessly with your setup. Also, I noticed that there's limited user feedback available, which raises a few flags for me. Overall, it's easy to use, but I think potential users should have more clarity on what to expect in terms of compatibility and sound quality. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Voice Killer is user-friendly, making it accessible for those who are new to voice modulation. The variety of voice effects is also impressive, catering to different needs. However, there are some downsides. The lack of detailed information about compatibility is concerning, especially for serious users who want to ensure it works with their favorite streaming or gaming software. Plus, the absence of substantial user reviews makes it hard to gauge long-term reliability. Pricing may also be a factor. Without clear details on what you're getting for your money, it could feel like a leap of faith. If you need a robust, professional-grade voice changer, you might want to explore other options first. In conclusion, Voice Killer could be a fun tool for casual users looking to experiment with voice effects. However, if you're serious about voice modulation for professional use, it may leave you wanting more. Consider trying it out, but keep your expectations in check and explore alternatives if you need something more robust.